Now I'm going to teach you how to draw an angle in standard position. We're going to do one positive one in degrees, and then we're going to do one negative one in radians, and that should give you enough to try these others. I really would like you to spend some time working on some on your own. Okay, so starting at 7:05, first thing we do is draw the initial side, which is the positive x-axis. Okay, since we're going positive, we're going this way. I go all the way around once. That's 360. That means I must go 345 more degrees. Okay, I can't go all the way around again, because all the way around again would be 360. So I keep counting where I'm going. That's 180. That's not enough. That's 270. So I need to go 75 more degrees. That would be 90 more. So 75 more looks like about like that. And if I wanted to be really precise, I would do this. Actually, I don't put an arrow on that one. You don't put an arrow on the ones that are explanatory. I think that's how you pronounce that. So let's take the arrow off of that. My special pencil's eraser is about dead. I think I've got it. And I don't have my, oh, here we go. Okay, so let me go through that one more time. I know I'm going in the positive direction because it's positive 705. I start right here, and I go all the way around once, and that's 360. So I'm keeping a running tally of where I'm at. 705 take away 360. I need to go 345 more. Okay, so I start right here, and I keep going. That's 180. That's 270. Okay, so I subtract 270, and that leaves me with 75. So I keep going. 75 is going to be closer to up here than it is to down here. So I stop right there, and then I show that there's 75 degrees there, so anybody recreating this would know. Okay. Now, I made a multiple choice for you, so they don't put the numbers, but they should be pretty obvious to you, so you can look and see. Okay. That's 705 degrees. Now let's do a negative one in radians. Alright, so starting right here, I'm going negative. All the way around is 2 pi. This is in 12ths. So I'm going to have to do my pi's in 12ths. All the way around would be 24 pi over 12. So I needed to go 37, but I've gone 24. So I'm subtracting. Minus a minus is plus a positive. That's going to leave me with negative 13 pi over 12. Okay, are you with me so far? I know you can't tell me out loud, but let me go through that one more time. I'm going negative, so I start here. 37 over 12. In my head, I'm thinking that's bigger than 3 pi. So all the way around is 2 pi. So negative 37 pi over 12 minus 24 twelfths is 2 pi. Minus a minus is plus a positive. That leaves me with negative 13. That's bigger than 1 pi. All the way to right here is another whole pi. And another whole pi would be 12 twelfths, and that's in the negative direction. So minus a minus is plus a positive. So that leaves me with negative pi over 12, 1/12. I need to go one more 12th. One more 12th is little. Okay. So I put my arrow showing what direction I'm going. So here's my initial side. I forgot to draw it. There's my initial side. I go all the way around once, then I go halfway, then I go an additional 12th, and if I want to be precise, I can show that the additional space that I went is a 12th. Okay, so let's think through that. From here to here is 12 twelfths, negative 12 twelfths, negative 24 twelfths, negative 36 twelfths. So I need one more to get negative 37 twelfths. Okay. So let's have you guys do one for me on your own before we learn the last section of this chapter, or the last section that I want y'all to do for homework. So stop this video and do for me problem 102, please.